Hey there fellow car nerds, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk, let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1966 Ford Cobra, listed for $31,000 US in La Porte, Texas. It's been driven 13,068 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1966 AC Cobra kit car from Street Beast, 302 crate motor, very reliable driver, no trades. And up next we have this 1953 Chevrolet Corvette, listed for $35,000 US in Carmelius, New York. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description. This car has an original polo white with red interior and an original 53 windshield. It is a replica kit car with only 1,000 miles on it, small block 350 turbo Chevy with automatic transmission, custom made 4-inch channel frame, dual master cylinder system for brakes. Alright, here we have a 1958 Porsche Speedster, listed for $60,000 US in Mendham, New Jersey. It has been driven 2,700 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 356 GS/GT Porsche Speedster replica, vintage Speedster's factory build, 1915cc stroker, needs nothing. Okay, here we have a 1986 Ferrari, listed for $15,000 US in Las Vegas, Nevada. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1986 Pontiac Fiero SE Hollywood prop kit car, new rebuild transmission, new head gasket, new transmission cables and clutch, car runs and drives, drove it to Salt Lake City and LA with no issues, but it is a project car, needs some work. Alright, here we have a 1976 ASM Dune buggy, listed for $10,000 Canadian in Hamilton, Ontario. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, Very rare ASM street legal dune buggy with Ontario ownership, VW 1600cc engine, runs good, 4-speed transmission. And up next, we have this 1957 EMPI Sportster, listed for $14,500 US in Laguna Beach, California. It is a manual transmission, and from the seller's description. Rare original EMPI Sportster, built on a 57 VW, 1600cc engine, driven regularly with no issues, rust-free. Okay, this vehicle was submitted by viewer Timothy. Thank you very much for sending this along, Timothy. If you'd like to submit a vehicle, please send a link to me at mgguivintagevehicles@gmail.com. There is a link to that email in the details below the video. Alright, here we have a 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO listed for $24,000 US in Cedar, Indiana. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1976 Datsun 280Z with a 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO body kit. Car is running and driving, but will still require some TLC to get it truly set up as a daily drivable car, but it's close. Alright, now this one is a project car. Here we have a 1966 Ford GT40 listed for $8,000 US in Houston, Texas. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, Ford GT40 replica kit car. Donor car is a 1966 Corvair with a flat 6 and a 4-speed manual transmission. Will need to be trailered. Bill of sale only. Will trade for another car. And here we have a 1970 Vokaro, listed for $4,000 US in Red Oak, Texas. It's been driven 60,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1970 Vokaro kit car, air-cooled VW engine, 4-speed transmission. I've used it to run around town and have fun. Fiberglass is good, no breaks or cracks. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1937 Bugatti, listed for $7,000 US in Gaston, South Carolina. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1937 Bugatti body on a VW pan, titled as a 1974 VW Beetle. The body is a Moya Daytona, 1600 dual-port engine, runs, drives, clear South Carolina title, currently tagged, new brake shoes all the way around. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you will not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.